Hi everybody, this video is for the refuah shlema, the full recovery of a friend of mine's son, Michael Ben Fredel, and all the IDF soldiers who have been wounded in this past year and a half. So, just a short little video on the Aleph Bet, the Hebrew alphabet. I'm just going through the names of the letters and the sounds of the letters. That's it. There's much deeper meanings to each of these letters, actually, that we're not going to cover right now, but I thought I'd introduce you to the Aleph Bet. We're doing the Sephardic pronunciation. There is a slightly different pronunciation that we'll cover a different time. So here we are. This is the Aleph Bet. Aleph is silent, without a vowel. We'll talk about vowels a different time because that is interesting. So Aleph is silent without a vowel. Bet sounds like B, like a B. Vet, V. Gimel, G, like a G, like the G, that type of G. Dalet, D. Hey, Vav, V. Very similar to this. Zayin, Z. Chet, little tough. Chet. This is tet. T, t. Yud, the smallest letter. Y. Okay. Kaf. This is with a dot. K, k. This is a kaf sofit. This goes at the end of a word. And with the dot, it's a k. Now, this is similar. This is a chaf. It's similar to the chet. Okay, this is the chaf sofit, goes at the end of a word. Lamed, l. Actually, it's just l. You need a vowel to make it sound different than that. Mem, m. It's an M sound. Mem sofit goes at the end of a word. Still an M sound. Nun, n. An N sound. Nun sofit goes at the end of a word. They never, by the way, these N letters always go at the end. They never go in the middle. This is an N sound also. N. Samech. S. Ayin is silent. Pei. It's silent unless you put a vowel. And then that's different. Pei. P. It's a P. P sound. Fe. You see the difference? Is a dot. P. F. Pei. Fe. Fe sofit. That goes at the end of a word. F. Still the same sound. Tzadi. Ts. Ts. Like pizza. Pizza. Tza. It's the ts sound. Tzadi sofit goes at the end of a word. Same sound. Ts. This is kuf, k. Resh, r, like an R. Shin, sh, sh. Has the dot on the right side. That's important. Otherwise, it sounds like the next letter, which is a sin. Shin, sin. Taf, t, t. And this is a saf, but in the Sephardic pronunciation, it's also a taf. So in the other pronunciation, it's a s. But here we're talking about the Sephardic pronunciation, so it's a taf, t, and another taf, t. Okay? So those are the letters and their sounds. Now, real quickly, I'm going to show you a word that you know, actually. Now, this is the word Shabbat. Now, I didn't put the vowels Hebrew has little symbols underneath the letters to make the sounds. The vowels are symbols. Okay, now I'm going to say the word, and you're going to hear the letter. This is a shin, the dot's on the right side. Sh, b, b, t, sh, b, t, Shabbat. Do you hear the sounds? I didn't include the vowels, but these three letters, the shin, the bet, and the taf, Shabbat. You hear it, sh-b-t, Shabbat, right? Shabbat. So there you go. It's all practice. When you learn the Hebrew alphabet, or anything, any language, or any instrument, or pretty much anything, it comes down to practice. And practice makes progress, as they say. No one is perfect. We still are learning. Every day is a learning experience. And I hope that was interesting. Have a great day, everybody.